In today's video, I will teach you guys how you guys can fix your Roblox Error Code 279. If you're getting this error, then I will teach you guys how you guys can solve it so you can start playing your Roblox again. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, just restart your computer. Sometimes doing this simply fixes the problem. If it still didn't, then you have to do this. On your Microsoft Register search, you want to click on search and type CMD. Once you see CMD, you want to right click on command prompt and click on run as an administrator. Click on it, and once you open this up over here, you want to write this code, which is ipconfig //flushdns. Make sure you see what I have written over here and press enter. Don't worry, it's not going to do anything. It's just going to reset your DNS server cache, which should fix a problem. After you write this code, you want to write this. After you write netish space winsock, you want to do space again and write reset. Now once you write netish space winsock space reset, click on enter and it should reset it. Once you do that, restart your computer, and after restarting your computer, your problem should be fixed. And once you do what I have said, your problem should be fixed. If it's still not fixed, what you can do is simply go on your browser, and on your browser go to roblox.com, because you can also play Roblox on the browser of Roblox, the official browser. Doesn't matter, you can play every game you want over here. So yeah, if that step didn't work, the last option is just go to roblox.com and play online from the browser. But the first two options I told you should fix a problem. So that's how you guys can fix Roblox error code. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit that subscribe to our channel, and bye bye.